Today we are focusing on multiplication mental strategies, particularly rounding a factor and adjusting. So we have a problem like 12 times 16. What you can do is round 16 up to 20. That makes the number easier to multiply. Now we know that 12 times 20 equals 240. And we rounded 16 up to 20 by increasing it by 4. So we find 12 fours, which are 48, which is what we have rounded up by. And then we subtract those two numbers. And 240 minus 48 is 192. Now instead of minusing 48, they subtracted 40, then subtracted 8 to again make the problem easier to solve. So I'm going to go through now with the example below. We have 12 times 9. So instead of 12 times 9, I'm going to round it up to 10. And I know that 12 times 10 equals 120. Now the next step is to multiply what I rounded up by. And I rounded 9 up to 10, which means I increased it by 1. And I know that 12 times 1 equals 12. The last step to this is subtracting what you rounded up from how much you rounded up by. So we're going to do 120 take 12. But instead of doing that, I'm going to break it again into easier numbers. So I'm going to go with 120 subtract 10, which is 110. And I know that I have to subtract another 2 more to get 12. And the answer is 108. So what I'd like you to do now is have a go at the additional problems using the round a factor and adjust mental strategy. Thank you very much.